Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate about the bank statement reconciliation module for finance team. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address, like here I am entering the email address of an employee. Enter the password, click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to finance. Now come into bank cash and deposit. Click on bank statement reconciliation, which is a submenu of bank cash and deposit. Click on create button in order to create new bank statement reconciliation. Here you will going to select the bank account. For example, here I am selecting the bank account as cash. In start date or end date, you will going to select the start and end date of your reconciliation statement reconciliation. Here you can enter your starting balance if you want to add. Click on save button. Click on fetch details button in order to fetch all the details. As soon as you will click on fetch details button, all the transactions that has happened in between this start and end date related to this account will come here, as you can see. You can clear the particular transaction by clicking on cleared button. If research is required, any transaction is not matched, just simply click on research required checkbox. This is how you can enter or do the clearing of your transactions. Once you've done the clearing of your transaction, just click on save button. As you can see, as soon as you will click on save button, the cleared balance and the difference will automatically fetch here according to your ending balance, the ending balance that you have put here in the starting of your creation of this bank statement reconciliation. Now click on save button. Now click on ready for review button. If your ending balance does not match with the cleared balance, the Odoo or the ERP will throw this warning. So in order to clear or process this further, just need to match up your balance. The ending and the cleared balance must be equal. So in order to run the process, I am just ending the difference here. As you can see, I am putting the ending balance as 78,200, which is matched with my cleared balance. So you can see the difference is 0. Now click on ready for review button in order to submit it for review. Here just click on process button. If you want to cancel this, just click on cancel button. Once you will click on process button, the process is done. Now you can also print the report by clicking on report print button. If you want it to set to draft, just click on set to draft button. This is how the bank statement reconciliation module will work in ERP.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.